Hello guys, welcome back to FX Lab channel. My name is David. Today I want to show you how I make this image with simple photo editing. Our application for this project is Adobe Photoshop CC. Without further ado, let's jump to it. Okay guys, first thing that we have to do is open our cute cat to the canvas. Then we select around upper head. And make a copy. Select below layer. And scale the body, make it smaller. Now we select above layer and click masking. We have to erase some part. Make it looks blend together. Then we go to filter. Click on liquify. Select bloat tool. And we click exactly around the eye. While press, choose around 2 seconds then release. Make sure both eyes look similar size. Then we use pinch tool. We want to make smaller somewhere around, below the mouth. Be careful while pressing guys, so the change is not so obvious. I think this looks better now. Then click OK. Now we add some background. Make solid color using rectangle shape. Put some color on it. We choose around light yellow. Then we make a solid color. Change to white. Double click on the layer to open up blending option. Go to gradient overlay. Change the color around dark chocolate. Change mode to overlay. And then on blending here, change to multiply. That's it guys. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Till then, see you in the next video. Goodbye.